Hi, my name is Ninad and I am from Social Endeavor Group. I always wanted to be associated with the social initiatives, but I always gave myself other reasons that I don't have time. So when I joined TAPME in 2016, I came across with the Social Endeavor Group and I thought it's an amazing opportunity to start and create a foundation for this. I applied for it and now I am an integral part of Social Endeavor Group. Now Social Endeavor Group works in social, environmental and governance related projects. So this allows us to pick up the projects and work on the sustainable development goals given by United Nations. Primarily we are working with the Academy Primary School, which is in nearby area, and we are taking initiatives for that particular school. We do computer certification program, and along with that we have a couple of donation drives like Joy of Giving and Gift is Mine, where we collect the money from student fraternity, teachers and other staff who is present in TAPME campus, and we create some initiatives for the students, for example to give the stationery to them. Along with that, the donation drives that I talked about, Joy of Giving and Gift is Mine, we run them parallelly. Now this is just the education part that we consider. Now along with that, we work with the government of Karnataka, for which we are doing multiple projects. Now last year we did solid waste management and the plastic waste management, for which we actually guided this government to tell them what they can do to improve the solid waste management and plastic waste management. This year we are working with them on the BMI review program, for which we are designing a software to run the processes which they have already implemented in their field. This allows them to create the digital component in their day-to-day processes. So we are trying to finish this project so that we can bring it on the field. So these are the initiatives that we are right now working on. Along with these initiatives, we connect with the corporates to allow us to work on some CSR related activities, so that we can create that connect between the corporates and the student fraternity in campus. These are the broadly initiatives that we are working on. But along with this, we have a conclave, which is the General Management Conclave called Manishi, for which we are doing a program called Vishleshan. It's a social analytics challenge for which we take the applications all around the India and we ask them to solve some social problem using the analytics. This is the main flagship event that Social Endeavor Group takes forward in Manishi. Along with that, there are panel discussions and GLs, for which the dignitaries from various corporate world come in TAPME. Now in terms of qualities and skill set, I would say that it has made me more proactive. It has honed my leadership skills. It has taught me how to do the time management and event management simultaneously. Some of the skill set that everyone should learn in the management school. So that is pretty much a gist of Social Endeavor Group. Social Endeavor Group is much more than what I can explain you in 5 minutes of time span. But come join us, it's one of the best initiatives that has been run in TAPME, and that's what I can tell to you right now.